Need a quick dinner? This easy skillet recipe is ready in just 10 minutes, and it's unbelievably delicious. We'll start with 3 eggs. Add salt and black pepper to taste, then whisk everything together well. Grease a skillet with a little butter, then pour in half of the beaten eggs. I'm starting with the first layer. Add the sausage and grated cheese. Repeat the same steps until you've used all the ingredients, then finish with the final layer on top. Finally, pour the remaining beaten eggs over the top. Cover with a lid and cook over low heat for about 5 minutes. Then carefully flip it and cook for another 5 minutes, until golden brown on both sides. Easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoy recipes like this, subscribe for more new ideas every week.